In this video, we'll explore the Enable Control Points command in Rhino, a tool that lets you activate the control points of a curve or surface so you can edit its shape directly. Step 1. Accessing the command. To activate control points, type PointsOn in the command line and press Enter. In case of a curve, the control points get enabled as soon as you select it. Step 2. Enabling control points on a curve. Select the curve you want to edit. This will automatically activate the control points of a curve. You'll see a series of small circular handles like these. These are control points. These points define the shape of the curve and can be selected and moved to adjust it in real time. Modify curve by moving control point. In order to modify the curve using a control point, you can select each control point individually or select multiple points by selecting points while holding the Shift key for multiple selection. Once done with selection, use gumball to move points. Alternatively, you can even select the dashed curve between two control points and drag it to move a pair of control points. Tips: Control points define form, not path. Control points don't lie on the curve. They act as influence points. Moving one will subtly or dramatically reshape the curve depending on its location and spacing. That's how to enable control points in Rhino, an essential command for editing and sculpting curves and surfaces with precision. Now, we'll explore the Insert Control Point command in Rhino, a tool that lets you add new control points to a curve, giving you final local control with the trade-off that the curve's shape will change slightly in the process. Step 1. Enable control points. Start by selecting the curve and turning on its control points. In case of a curve, the control points are enabled as soon as you select it. This helps you see where the curve can be edited. Step 2. Run the command. Type Insert Control Point and press Enter. Rhino prompts to select curve to add control point 2. Click on the target curve. Rhino shows valid locations for insertion. Click between two control points where you want to insert the new one. Step 3. Observe and edit the new point. Immediately after insertion, the new point becomes visible and active. The curve shape will change slightly. You can now move the new control point using gumball or move for local edits. Tips and use cases. Curve shape will change. Unlike Insert Knot, this command modifies the curve's form. It increases the degrees of freedom and lets you control smaller segments. Use when you need more local control. Inserting control points is ideal when a specific section of the curve needs adjustment and existing control points don't give you enough resolution. Avoid overuse. Too many control points make curves harder to manage. Insert only where needed. That's the Insert Control Point command in Rhino, a precise editing tool that adds control points and modifies a curve's shape so that you can fine-tune form exactly where needed. Now, we'll explore the Insert Knot command in Rhino, a powerful tool that lets you refine a NURBS curve or surface by adding knots. Unlike inserting control points, adding knots doesn't change the geometry's shape. It simply gives you more control over local areas. Step 1. Understand what a knot is. A knot is a parameter value in the domain of a curve or surface. Adding knots subdivides that domain and lets control points influence smaller portions of the curve, all without modifying the shape. Step 2. Run the command. Type Insert Knot and press Enter. Rhino prompts to select a curve. Click a location on the curve where you'd like to refine control. Step 3. Observe the effect. While the shape is untouched, Rhino adds a knot to the internal knot vector. This creates new control points nearby for finer local edits. Leaves the curve or surface visually unchanged. Tips and use cases. Shape preserving refinement. Insert knot is perfect when you need more control in a specific area without deforming your geometry. great for prepping geometry for editing. Before making subtle local edits, insert knots so the deformation stays confined. Different from insert control point. Insert control point changes the shape. Insert knot does not. Use wisely, based on whether you want immediate deformation or not. That's the insert knot command in Rhino, a non-destructive way to add local refinement to curves or surfaces, giving you precise control when modeling without compromising the geometry you've built.